So class, finally the last topic of fractions today. The topic is simplification, right? Simplification, sort of miscellaneous problems, miscellaneous sums. So just see how I solve them so that you can also solve any complex problem whichever is coming your way. Thank you. Have a happy life. So as you see on the board, in this video we will discuss the simplification of fractions, some miscellaneous problems, mixed problems sort of. One more thing I will tell in this video is the basic simplification process involving the arithmetic operations of plus, minus, divide, multiply, right? So in the second slide you will see that also. Also, I wish to tell that if you want to see all the videos of 6th standard, just go to the description below in this video, right? I have given the playlist over there, different playlists are there. You can just see and learn from there also. So now just focus on the board and keep listening to my explanation. The first question is subtract 3 5 by 9 from 5 1 by 6. So we write it as 5 1 by 6 minus 3 5 by 9. So we make it a improper fraction, 31 by 6 minus 32 by 9. If you take the LCM of 6 and 9, it comes out to be 18. So solving accordingly, we finally get the answer as 29 by 18, which is written as 1 11 by 18. Now the second question is subtract 1 5 by 6 from 8. So I will write 8 minus 1 5 by 6, 8 minus 11 by 6. Below 8 we can write 8 by 1 and we can take the LCM of 6 and 1. We'll get it 6. So we can easily solve it and we get the final answer as 37 by 6, which can be written as 6 1 by 6. Next is subtract 7 by 10 from 4 1 by 5. So we get the final answer as 7 by 2, which can be written as 3 and a half, right? See the next one. 5 1 by 6 minus 3 1 by 4 plus 4 plus 3 1 by 3. So we simplify them, 31 by 6 minus 13 by 4 plus 4 by 1 plus 10 by 3. So we take the LCM of 3 4 6, which comes out to be 12. So finally we get the answer as 37 by 4, which can be written as 9 1 by 4. Be careful about the signs of subtraction and addition, right? Now see the last one. 8 5 by 6 minus 3 3 by 8 plus 2 7 by 12, which is 53 by 6 minus 27 by 8 and 21 by 12. So we take the LCM of 6 8 and 12, which comes out to be 24. So finally we get the answer as 193 by 24, which can be written as 8 1 by 24. So important thing is take care of the signs of plus and minus and solve it accordingly. So this was the miscellaneous simplification of the fractions, right? Now see on the board, I have written simplification V bod mass, right? This is the process, the rule we use while solving the sums using the basic arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So look on the top left, I have written V for vinculum bar, B for brackets, C for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. We follow this sequence while solving a problem. So first we have to understand what type of brackets are there. The simplest is known as the round bracket, the small bracket, the parenthesis or the common brackets we use. Next we have the curly bracket or the braces. Next we have the square bracket or the big brackets as shown. So the order of the simplification will be as shown. First you will solve the vinculum, then you will solve the common bracket, then you will solve the braces and then finally you will solve the big brackets. I hope it is clear and now I will make it more clear by the following examples. Now see the first example. Simplify 14 minus 12 minus 9 minus 7 minus 6 minus 2 vinculum. Now important thing to note down here is you will do one calculation in one step. Only then you will get the correct answer. As you see in the first step, we are calculating the vinculum. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. In the next step, we are calculating the common brackets. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. In the next step, we are calculating the braces. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And in the last step, I am calculating the big brackets. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So finally the answer is 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. So do it step by step, one calculation in one step. Only then you'll get the correct answer. Right? See the second one written on the top. 16 minus 11 minus 8 divided by 17 plus 3 into 2 minus 19. So as I have written on the board, V board mass. So first you will solve the vinculum, then brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction respectively. So watch the steps and the calculation. In the first step I am writing 17 plus 3 into 2 minus 19. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So we write 17 plus 6 minus 19. Next we are writing 23 minus 19 which gives us 4. So 8 divided by 4 we get 2 and 11 minus 2 is 9 and finally we get 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. See the next one now written as second. 5 and a half of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11. Right? So I will write 11 by 2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus half divided by 5 by 11. 11 by 2 of means 11 by 2 into this bracket. So we are solving this bracket by taking the LCM and writing 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11 as 1 by 2 into 11 by 5. Right? So in the next step I am taking the LCM and I am getting 11 by 2 into 10 minus 9 by 15 plus 11 by 10. Right? So now 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 by 10. So it is 11 by 30 plus 11 by 10. Now take the LCM over here and the final answer is 22 by 15 which can be written as 7 by 15. Now focus on the top right. We have two simple examples of A and B. Right? The first is 18 minus 6 divided by 2 into 3. So first we perform the division actually. So we get 6 divided by 2 as 3. So 18 minus 3 into 3. Then we do the multiplication. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Right? Got it? See the B1. 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6. Right? So we get 24 divided by 3 as 8. So 15 plus 8 minus 6. And then we get 15 plus 8 is equal to 23 minus 6. The final answer is 17. Now see the last question. It appears to be a complex one, but I tell you it is very simple if you follow the simple rule of V board mass. So first solve the vinculum, then the common bracket, then the curly braces, then you have the big brackets and do the operations of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction as per the requirement. So finally you get the answer as 41 by 24, which we finally write as 117 by 24. Right? So this was fractions, right, and the simplification process. I have given a link of the playlist of all the videos of 6th standard mathematics in the description below. Right? You can just check it for any topic you need. Kindly like and comment and share all these videos to all your friends who are in need of free education. Right? Thank you. Lovely class. Goodbye. Love you all. Bye-bye. Have a happy life. Keep playing, keep enjoying music, but keep studying also. Thank you. Love you all.